heard there has been some changes in the Dubai Red Line. Let's go and check it out. So before, from Rashidiya, Red Line would go all the way to UAE Exchange, but now it has changed. Everything is the same up until Jebel Ali. So if you want to go straight to UAE Exchange, you'd have to get down and then switch to another train going to UAE Exchange. But if you are going to Expo 2020, it's gonna go straight from Rashidiya non-stop and then turn here. So that is the new route now for the Red Line.
المحطة القادمة هي جبل علي، وهي محطة انتقالية بين الخط الأحمر ومسار 2020 لمترو دبي. The next station is Jabal Ali. This is interchange station between Dubai Metro Red Line and Route 2020. المحطة القادمة هي جبل علي، وهي محطة انتقالية بين الخط الأحمر ومسار 2020 لمترو دبي. The next station is Jabal Ali. This is interchange station between Dubai Metro Red Line and Route 2020. الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing. The next station is Guns. The next station is Gardens.
Ils ont changé, mais c'est pas les tendances, moi, la même. Ça m'a l'air changé.
The next station is Discovery Gardens. The next station is Albion. The next station is Al Furjan.
يرجى الانتباه، القطار لن يتوقف عند عقارات جميرة للجولف. المحطة القادمة هي مجمع دبي للاستثمار.
Your attention please. The train will not stop at Jumeirah Golf Estates. The next station is Dubai Investment Park.
But it's not going to stop here. It doesn't stop there.
The next station is Dubai Investment Park.
المحطة القادمة هي Expo 2020.
The next station is Expo 2020.
رحلة القطار سوف تنتهي عند المحطة القادمة. على جميع الركاب مغادرة القطار في المحطة، والرجاء التأكد من أخذ جميع أغراضكم الشخصية.
Your attention please. This train terminates at the next station. All passengers must leave the train at the station. Please take all your belongings with you when leaving the train.
I'm now here at the Expo 2020 station. I'm all alone. No one's here. So I just wanted to drop by to take a look and see for myself.
The train to Rashidiya will depart from platform 1.
I cannot go inside because I don't have a pass for Expo 2020. I'm on my way back now.
If you are coming from Dubai and you are going to stations IB and Battuta, Energy, Danube, and UAE Exchange, this is how you do the platform switch.
Your attention please. The train to Rashidiya will depart from platform 3.
We have to change to the UAE Exchange. Please.
Going to UAE Exchange, I am Battuta Energy. Please proceed to platform 2.
Terminates here.
Battuta? Yeah. Go to last line.
Yun na. I hope this video helps because I know it is quite a change. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will try to bring you to some interesting places here in the UAE and update you for any changes like this one. See you on my next video.